Do you play any sports? Yes, I play football with my friends after school. We usually play 2 or 3 times a week at the schoolyard. I like football because it is fun and helps me stay healthy. I also enjoy running and playing badminton on weekends. Playing sports makes me feel strong and happy every time.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football.
Who do you play with?
I play with my friends.
How often do you play?
2 or 3 times a week.
Where do you play?
At the schoolyard.
Why do you like football?
Because it's fun and keeps me healthy.
What other sports do you enjoy?
I enjoy running and badminton.
How do you feel when you play sports?
I feel strong and happy.